In today's video, we will look at how you can create a risk-free 100x leverage position. I deliberately say create because we do not open a position immediately with 100x, but we will build it up gradually to achieve 100x leverage. I have a good example here today. I still have a small Ethereum US tethered position open with 4x leverage. It is now almost 190% in profit. And I have also realized partial profits here. What I will show now is how I scale this 4x leverage up to 100x leverage, and then take margin out of my trade, meaning I take the equity out of the trade, but then put it back in, at least partially, not immediately. We will also do this live, but really only scale in gradually. There are a few rules on how you should do this. There are actually two possibilities. Either you do it during such a parabolic pump, meaning you say you always go along with it. I have a small example here. I did this once with alpaca, yes, so that I had a small scalp in 1 minute. You can see there, it pumped 80%. I opened a short position here, closed a small position again, but then the position was not completely closed. Gradually scaled in after I increased the leverage and realized my profits. That means you can take advantage of momentum or in swing trades, as in this case. You can do it in such a way that you wait for a good pullback to a certain price range. If I now say, for example, I want to try here because I think we will bounce here and continue to rise, I can try to add a little to the position. We will not wait for it now. I will do it live with you and will simply add a little to the position. I have an incredibly good entry at $4,557 US. Yes, currently we are at just under $2,300 US. That means I have enough margin here to proceed in this way. By the way, if you want to know how I build my positions, I really like to build positions with low leverage. Check out the video that I will link for you at the end, or just click above now. It will pop up below and you can watch it afterwards. I rely heavily on liquidation heat maps. And I do this with very, very low leverage. And take a look at that. If you're not yet on Bitget, check the video description. There's a link where you get 20% fees cashback. But let's move on now. How do we proceed? So, regarding position building, just so you can see it briefly, you can click on order history on Bitget when you go into this arrow here. Just so you can see how I proceed. That means, for example, I go long with low leverage 4 times, went long again here, sold a part here, yes, sold another part here, but apparently went long again for whatever reason. Yes, I sold another part here again. That means my average purchase price was lower. And during this dump in this area, I went long again, took profits again, and that's how this partial profit down here came about. Yes, sold a bit here again, went long again. You see, it was just a bit of fun. You can take a look at it. A super exciting trading strategy that always works for me. Now we go into how I scale the position. If you have an open position and it is ideally very profitable, as it is here now, you can simply go in with your open position on Bitget and increase your leverage. In this case, I click on long. If it's not set up that way there, for me, I have the hedge mode. This means I can trade long and short simultaneously and can also adjust the leverage differently. If you only have one leverage here, then you have the one-way mode enabled. Yes, you can only change between one-way mode and hedge mode if you currently have no open positions. For me, the hedge mode is ideal, but now I'll show, for example, here, so that we can compare it. I currently have a profit of 193%, and my position size is just under $900. I now click here on long and simply increase my leverage to 100x. And what you will see here now, when I click on confirm, is that my position size is exactly the same, but my percentage profit suddenly shows 4,849%. Yes, it fluctuates now, of course. Naturally, the realized profit is also going down a bit now. So now I have 200x leverage, but it's still not what I want. I want to take out my margin here now. This means I can now reduce the equity that is in the trader here. And that by almost 100-fold. That means you click on the small arrow here, click on decrease margin. Simply slide the leverage up to the maximum, yes, and then you see my estimated liquidation price, which then goes very, very close to my current entry. And if I click now, for example, on confirm, what happens then? Now I have a $900, almost $900 position, but I currently only have $5.99 left in the position. Despite everything, my profits are still the same. And my position size is also still the same. Now, of course, we have to be careful because the next thing we need to do first, by the way, the margin you took out, yes, it simply goes back to your account, to the futures account, so that you have access to it. The first thing we need to do now is check my liquidation price, because I have an entry price of 1,557.40, but my liquidation price is already at 1,550.51. To ensure I don't get liquidated here, the very first thing I do is set my stop loss into profit. And that means, for example, I will now set it to 1,565 as a small example. That means I go to full position and set it here to 1,565. Then you can see here, I'm still making a profit of $2.98. This is just a safeguard in case the price goes down. And I don't want to be liquidated. This is always the very first thing I do. Then I click on confirm. It shows here, okay, that I now have the stop loss set. Confirm that. And now you can see here, I have the stop loss, just slightly above my entry. This means liquidation is no longer a concern for me. I have a risk-free 100x leverage position and can now use it to scale. And how do you scale now? And I think this is the exciting part. I'm definitely going to remove this order now because it would be way too much for 100x. Why did I have it set at 1,728? We simply have here. Now it's already a bit less. We had an incredibly high liquidation here. So in this area, there were an incredible number of long positions that had a liquidation range here. That's out now. This means I will also remove and cancel it here now. And how do we proceed now? This is just a small example. I'll give you an idea or a strategy on how to actually scale your position. We don't just do this blindly. That means scaling now, just like that, would be scaling in blindly. That doesn't make sense. We would scale in during a good pullback, or if we have momentum like here, where we are actually pumping very, very strongly. This can be done using chart analysis or using the liquidation heat map. For example, if I go back 3 days, it's the CoinAnk liquidation heat map, and I see a cluster somewhere here. There are still some, but not as many now at Ethereum, but at 1,760. We can do the same. A small example, Bitcoin has a slightly larger cluster at 93,300. That means I could set a limit order to scale in this area. But if you say, no, I want to scale in immediately, I want you to see how that works as well. I can now say I want to scale my position slightly. And now it's important that you really pay attention. Now it doesn't make sense if you have $100. Yes, if you only have $5.90, like in this case, that's in there now, right? If you now add $100, then you have a new entry price that's somewhere up here. We don't want that. Always take very little, yes. In this case, I will show it with 10%, yes, of my margin. Because why 10%? I want to increase my entry price only minimally. Why? For what reason? Because I still believe that we can drop in this price range to 1,861. Why? For what reason? Because we simply had a parabolic run. Maybe we'll pick up liquidity here again before we move on. And that's exactly how we proceed now. That means I now have Ethereum. I see I have $5.90 in it. I'll just put in 10% now, yes, or I'll do $1. $1 is also enough. Yes, I'm going long with $1 now. Sounds very, very little now. I know it, but I'm making a market position after going $1 long on the market and increasing it now. And you will soon see that my entry price immediately rises. I'm opening long now. $1, hopefully, it will allow that. Yes, with 100x, that should actually fit. And you will see now. So, and you have now seen my entry price has increased from my stop loss. And the next thing I do immediately is to trail my stop loss. You can either do this here, yes, by trailing it a bit, or the next option is to simply adjust it here again. Look at your new entry price and set the stop loss a bit above your entry price. Despite everything, I still have a good entry, but now I have a slightly higher position from 800 and a bit. Now I'm at 965. And why do I say it's more ideal to wait for a drop? If we do a chart analysis, and I'll go through that with you now, so that you can actually use it for a recovery to a certain level, to this level, or for example, to this level, where I say, I believe here that we simply find such strong support. Yes, and you observe that too. If we find support here and then rise again, that would be, for example, the ideal time for you to increase your position. Because now, I could, for example, add 100% to the position because we are much lower here. Yes, if the price were here now, and if I now, my position, I draw it like this here, opening up 100% position from here. That means I add here again. In this case, it's very, very little. Sorry for that. $6.83. Then instead of $967, I have almost $2,000 in position that is open here. But my average entry would then be approximately here in this case. Why is it here? Because I go long here. even a bit further up. Yes, because I open a new long position here. And this position is here. And I add 100%. This roughly goes to the midpoint between my new entry and my old entry. The next thing I naturally do is immediately set my stop loss back into profit so that I cannot be liquidated. And if the price actually continues to rise, then you go into the next bull run or into the next price increase with a doubled position. Of course, you can also do that. This is now the first example, and I say we have a nice recovery. What I just did was only an example for you to see how it works. In another case, it's really when you scalp, and you see that was an example, Alpaca, which had an 80% pump. I shared this in the Telegram group after I did it. I saw a short opportunity here for myself because I noticed we weren't making a higher high. The IMEs crossed here. I went down here. But then I was quite sure, sold off a little. And then during this dump, yes, on the 1 minute chart, it was incredible. I just kept scaling in the whole time. Yes. So that I could say, I increase my position, increase my position, increase my position, increase. And then I looked for a target, roughly where I would set my take profit. And that would also be possible in this case if you see, hey, just like it was in the last few days. We have this massive pump, just like here. Then you have the opportunity, when this pump comes, to increase your position with each additional part by a little bit, always by 10%, for example. What happens with this entry? It continues to rise, continues to rise, continues to rise. But you keep taking an incredible amount of profit on the way up and then look for a small profit somewhere. In my case, this is a small swing position where I proceed like this. That looks a bit different. I also have another Ethereum position where I proceed similarly. It is $42,000 in size, but only with 1x. However, as soon as we reach new highs with Ethereum, which we haven't yet, when we reach new levels that really go up well, and you can see Ethereum is currently experiencing a bit of a sell-off again. But in this case, I say, if we surpass this price range here, yes, which is an important level for me, exactly this price range, then I will start to scale my position here as well. I go up 3, 4, 5 times, can take out margin, reinvest it, and gradually scale my position up so that I can gradually turn my $42,000 position into a $120,000 to $150,000 position before taking profits. I hope you understood that. If not, ask the questions in the video description. I will answer them as best as I can to help you further, so you can also see how to proceed. But just so you know, no one or very few people open 100x, 200x or 50x positions right from the start. Instead, they scale them up. Of course, it's also somewhat easier or better if you split it now. If I split it now, yes, it naturally looks much, much better when I go up here. And I now have 4,768% profit. It looks pretty intense, of course. But I can also click on my P&L amount here. Then you can actually see what I have in there, yes. For example, my leverage going in and also at what price I went in and out, yes. Of course, it's nobody's business. I'm here as a YouTuber. I want to show you transparency so that you can also see how it works in detail. Exactly. I hope you enjoyed the video. I would be happy if you use one of my links below in the video description and support me a little so that I can continue to produce awesome content for you. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, activate the bell, and leave a comment. There's way too little going on here on my channel in terms of comments. See you next time. Bye bye.